Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us discuss about viscous resistance of collar bearings. The figure shows a collar bearing where the face of the collar is separated from the bearing surface by an oil film of uniform thickness. Now here let n equal speed of the shaft in RPM. R1 equal internal radius of the collar. R2 equal external radius of the collar. Now T is equal thickness of oil film. We know that the torque, consider the elementary ring of radius R. Radius R here, and thickness dr of the bearing surface. Then the torque dt required to overcome the viscous resistance on the elementary circular ring is the same as given dt. The torque required dt equal mu over 15t into pi square n r cube dr. Now the total torque T is integrating R1 to R2 dt is equal integral R1 to R2 mu over 15t into pi squared n r cube dr. Then taking the constant out of integration, that is mu over 15t pi squared n integral R1 to R2 r cube dr, which is r cube is integration is r power 4 by 4. Therefore mu over 15t into pi squared n, substituting capital R2 and R1, then we have R2 power 4 minus R1 power 4 over 4. So we are having mu over 60t pi squared n R2 power 4 R1 power 4. This is a torque. Then power absorbed, power P equal 2 pi nt by 60. Therefore 2 pi n by 60. You are substituting the torque this, that is mu over 60t pi square n R2 power 4 R1 power 4. So finally we are getting P equal mu pi cube n square over 60 into 30t into R2 power 4 minus R1 power 4 watts. Now this is the formula for power absorbed. Then let us do one example problem regarding this concept. A collar bearing having external and internal diameter of 140 mm and 90 mm respectively is used to take thrust of a shaft. An oil film of 0.24 mm is maintained between the collar surfaces and the bearings. Find the power lost in overcoming the viscous resistance when the shaft rotates 300 rpm. Take mu equal zero point 0.9 poise. Now, here are the given things. External dia, that is D2 equal 140 mm, that is equal 0.14 meter. Therefore, R2 external radius is 0.14 by 2 equal 0.07 meter. Like that, internal dia D1 equal 90 mm, which is equal 0.0990 meter. Therefore, internal radius R2 equal 0.090 by 2 equal 0.045 meter. Thickness of oil film equal 0.24 mm, which is equal 0.00024 meter. Then viscosity mu equal 0.90 poise, which is equal 0.90 over 10 equal Newton second, that is 0.09 Newton second per meter square. Then power absorbed is the formula is mu pi cube n square over 60 into 30t power R2 power 4 minus R1 power 4. Let us substitute the values. Mu equal 0.09 into 3.14 cube 300 square over 60 30. Thickness is 0.00024. R2 equal 0.07 power 4 minus 0.045 power 4. So by using calculator we got the final value as 11.61 watts. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.